Alright, we're ready to produce the Star Wars. Alright, here we go. We're going to produce the Star Wars laser sound effect. So I want to show you how I set this up. So you can see that I just have a metal slinky, and I just went ahead and I duct taped this to the ductwork in my basement with my heating and cooling system. So the slinky is attached to the ductwork of my heating and cooling system. Alright, now let me just set up this camera so I can show you how this is going to work. Alright, here I'm raising the slinky up to a high position. Here, because it's raised up, it has what we call gravitational potential energy. So that is the result of its height and its mass. Now, when I let it go, it's going to fall. That's going to convert that potential energy into a different form of energy called kinetic energy. Let's watch and listen to what happens here. What's happening that produces the sound is related to that conversion of energy. The energy conversion causes vibrations in the slinky. Those vibrations are transferred into the ductwork, and the ductwork is acting as a resonance chamber. So it's amplifying the sound that we're hearing. And we're hearing that laser sound effect. As the slinky vibrates, it's causing the air particles to also vibrate. Those vibrations of air particles cause changes in pressure. The changes in pressure in the air is sensed by your ears, and that sends a message to your brain that we perceive as sound. So let's take a listen to this again. Here we go. Potential energy, kinetic energy. Let's try a different variation on this. So I can produce different sound effects by doing different things with the slinkies, setting up different vibrations. Here we go again. Nice. That was a good one. All right. Let's move a little closer and see if we can hear the sound effect even better. All right, here we go. Potential energy to kinetic as I drop it.